Just received your new PNC debit card and eager to start using it? Well, you are in the right place. Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're going to walk you through the entire activation process, step by step. Look, whether you're a complete beginner to the banking world or you just need a quick refresher, getting that card up and running really doesn't have to be a headache. Let's dive in. Here's our agenda for today's explainer. First, a quick welcome to PNC Banking. Then, our pre-activation checklist. After that, we'll choose your activation method, troubleshoot some common issues, share a few handy post-activation tips, and wrap it all up.
All right, Section 1. Welcome to PNC Banking. Let's get started.
So, whether you've got a standard checking debit card, a business deposit card, or even one of those specialized healthcare flexible spending cards like the PNC Benefit Plus, activating it is absolutely crucial. Until you do that, it's really just a piece of plastic taking up space in your wallet. But once it's activated, it becomes your secure key to accessing your hard-earned money.
Moving on to Section 2, the pre-activation checklist. Let's gather your info. Okay, preparation is key here. To prevent any annoying hiccups, you're going to want your physical card right there on hand. You'll need the 16-digit card number, the expiration date, and that little 3-digit CVV security code on the back. Also, if your 4-digit PIN was mailed separately, make sure to grab that too. Next, just have the last 4 digits of your Social Security number or taxpayer ID ready, because PNC uses that to verify your identity. Oh, and one more thing. If you're activating digitally, please make sure you are on a secure internet connection. Definitely don't do this on public coffee shop Wi-Fi, all right?
Section 3. Let's choose your activation method.
First up is the PNC mobile app, which is incredibly fast and intuitive. Once you're securely signed in, using your passcode or Face ID, just navigate down to the bottom menu bar and tap More, then select Cards. You'll see a list of your available cards right there. Just tap your unactivated card, select Activate Physical Card, and punch in your CVV and expiration date. The app submits all of this securely, and boom, it instantly updates your card status to active. Now, if you're more of a desktop person and prefer a larger screen, PNC Online Banking is just as easy. Simply log into the portal using a secure browser. Once you're in, navigate over to the Cards tab on the main menu. Honestly, you can't miss it. There's going to be a really prominent warning banner that says Card Activation Required right next to your pending card. Just click Activate Card, confirm your details, and you are ready for immediate access. Not really feeling the app or the computer? No worries at all. You can do this entirely over the phone. You'll just want to dial this dedicated activation number, 1-888-762-2265.
And when you call that number, or 1-800-346-8300 if you're setting up a business card, you aren't going to be stuck on hold listening to elevator music waiting for a rep. The automated system is super smart. It uses natural language processing to smoothly guide you through verifying your identity. You literally just speak or type in your 16-digit card number, the expiration date, the last 4 of your Social Security number, and your billing zip code. It's totally secure, surprisingly fast, and registers your card on the spot.
Finally, we have the ATM method, which is a brilliant example of how seamless PNC's technology really is. You can activate your card at literally any PNC-branded ATM. Just walk right up, insert your card chip first, or just tap it on the universal contactless symbol. Punch in your 4-digit PIN, and then just do a simple transaction. Check your balance, withdraw 20, whatever. The ATM verifies your PIN and actually writes the activation confirmation directly to the card's chip. And just like that, you're done.
All right, moving to Section 4, troubleshooting common issues.
So what if your car is lost, stolen, or damaged? This is probably the most stressful scenario for beginners. You open your mail and the card isn't there, or maybe it falls out of your pocket on day one. Hey, it happens. But don't stress, because banking security is specifically designed to protect you instantly. The absolute key here is to act quickly. You want to report the card missing immediately through the mobile app, your online banking portal, or by calling that main 888 number we mentioned earlier. Doing this instantly deactivates that missing piece of plastic, so your funds are completely protected. Plus, it automatically triggers a brand new replacement card to be mailed out to you, which usually shows up in about 5 to 7 business days. As long as you report it promptly, you won't lose a single dime from unauthorized transactions.
Here's another common hurdle: getting a surprising declined message at the checkout line, or standing at the ATM and just drawing a total blank on your PIN. Again, don't panic.
First off, remember that debit cards only let you spend the money you actually have. A declined transaction is very often just a simple matter of a purchase exceeding your available checking account funds, or maybe hitting a daily spending limit that's set up for your own security. So always check your balance first. And if you just forgot your PIN, Well, you actually can't change it online for security reasons. You'll just need to call the number on the back of your card to request a new one, and a fresh PIN will arrive by mail in about a week.
Section 5. Post-activation tips.
While swiping or tapping your physical card is great, PNC actually allows for pre-arrival mobile wallet integration. What does that mean for you? It means that even before your physical card arrives in the mail, once your account is approved, you can add your digital card straight to your smartphone's mobile wallet, like Apple Pay or Google Pay. This unlocks lightning-fast, highly secure, and entirely contact-free payments instantly.
And this next feature brilliantly illustrates PNC's commitment to convenience: card-free ATM access. Picture this. You left your physical wallet at home, but you desperately need some cash. No problem at all. Open up your PNC app, head to ATM Access, and tap Generate Access Code. The app generates a unique 8-digit code that is strictly valid for 30 minutes. You just walk up to a PNC ATM, tap Card-Free Access, enter that 8-digit code along with your PIN, and securely withdraw your cash. It honestly feels a bit like magic, but it's just really great tech.
You can also use that same PNC mobile app to access the Easy Lock feature. Let's say you misplace your card. Maybe it just slipped between the couch cushions. You don't have to cancel it and wait a week for a new one. Easy Lock gives you the power to instantly freeze the card with a single tap right there in the app. Then, when you inevitably find it an hour later, you just tap again to unlock it. It puts complete control literally right in your pocket.
And finally, Section 6, Conclusion and Important Disclaimer.
Let's do a really quick recap. By following these simple, step-by-step methods, you've gathered your secure info, you've figured out whether to activate via the app, online, phone, or at the ATM. You know exactly how to handle lost cards or forgotten PINs, and you've unlocked the power of digital wallets and the Easy Lock feature. Basically, you have successfully transformed that random piece of plastic in the mail into a seriously powerful financial tool.
Now, just a quick bit of housekeeping. Please keep in mind this brief disclaimer. While the information in this explainer is intended to be helpful and is accurate as of today, we all know procedures and policies in the banking world can change over time. You should always verify specific details, limits, or policy updates directly with PNC Bank through their official website or customer service lines.
All right, now that your card is fully active and ready to go, what financial goals are you going to conquer next? We really hope this explainer empowered you to start spending securely and confidently, because taking control of your daily finances is a massive step. Drop your questions in the comments below and definitely let us know what financial milestone you are targeting next. Thanks so much for joining us for this explainer, and happy banking!